95% of data science resumes get rejected under 30 seconds. So if you are applying for data science, machine learning or AI jobs and not getting interview calls, your resume might be the problem. Hi, this is Ratul Paul, founder of Scientist Express. I've spent nearly 19 years in data science, machine learning and analytics. In my last role, I worked as Chief Data Officer in a fintech. Over the last 2 decades, I have taken hundreds of interviews for machine learning and data science positions. And I noticed one common pattern. Most candidates fill up their resume with random projects that make absolutely no sense to the recruiter. Projects like movie recommendation system, predicting Titanic survival, house price prediction, iris classification. The problem is not the algorithm. The problem is that these problems don't solve any business problem that the company is willing to pay for. Let me explain. Companies do not have data scientists to build models. They have data scientists to increase revenue, increase profit, reduce losses, or improve efficiency. Now let's take an insurance company. One of the biggest problems is achieving monthly sales target. Now imagine you built a campaign prioritization model. Instead of calling every customer, sales team can focus on the customers most likely to buy. What happens next? Sales conversion goes up, marketing cost goes down, revenue increases. Now that's a project recruiter cares about. Let's take an e-commerce company. One of the biggest problem is customer churn. Now can you build a churn prediction model that can predict which customer to leave? So retention team can intervene before customer disappear. So retention improves and revenue will also improve. Now here is where most candidates stop. They think building model is enough, but it's not. Recruiter wants to know, can your model beat the existing model? Can your model improve business KPIs? Can it increase approval rate, reduce default rate, improve sales conversion, reduce churn, because these are all matters. Now there is another level. Can you deploy those models? Can you build the APIs? Can you integrate the model in the production system? Because if company needs to hire another guy for deployment, your value goes down. The highest paid professionals don't just build model, they build complete business solution. Every additional business problem you can solve increases your market value. That brings more interview calls, more offers, more counter offers, and eventually much higher CTC. Remember this, recruiters don't pay for algorithms, they pay for business outcome. So next time you update your resume, don't ask what model did I build. Ask which business problem did I solve and what impact did it create. And that is the difference between getting ignored and getting multiple interview calls. If you want more high-CTC data science ML AI interview cracking strategies based on real industry experience, then follow me on LinkedIn and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.